Hey, I'm Angie Rose with Angie Rose Health Coaching, and I'm excited to be here today, maybe a little later than normal, but I'm here to do your Monday Mojo and give you a little motivation for the week. So the topic that I wanted to share with you guys today on was how to make healthy living easier. I know for most of us that our first thing we do is just want to overhaul everything and change everything, and we're gung-ho because we're motivated, so we're going to get stuff done, right? But the problem is with this, guys, a lot of times it's overwhelming to us and it's too much all at once. And so I want to give you some tips of things, 6 things you can stop doing so you can start getting results now. Okay, so I want to talk with you about the first one: aiming too high too soon when it comes to your goals and what you want to go after. The truth is, this is a recipe for failure and frustration. So I want to give you some examples. Things like, I want to shed 20 pounds in a few weeks, or I want to run a marathon within a couple months. That's pretty daunting and discouraging, and you really don't give yourself any room for rest, change, or life happening. You've got to be all in or nothing. And for most of us, this absolutely is what causes the issue. So instead, to make your healthier lifestyle easier, we want to start with smaller goals that you can begin to incorporate, that you can follow through with, and that you can stick to. Okay, that's the biggest thing. So that's number 1. Quit aiming too high too soon. Number 2 is quit comparing yourself and your journey to everyone else. The people around you, you don't know what they've got going on in their lives. You don't know what all they're doing. You're seeing their results, but you may not be seeing how hard they're working or how much time they're implementing into getting where they're wanting to go. So I want you to think about it. It's okay to draw inspiration from the people around you, but do not shoot for what they're doing when it comes to your lifestyle and what's going to work for you. Okay? So number 3 is over restricting your diet immediately. Okay? I know that for all of us that there are things we know I could easily say, hey, I need to get rid of this, or I need to quit having so much of this. But the truth of the matter is, most of y'all just eliminate all sugar, all grains, and hey, if you have food sensitivities and need to do that right away, go for it. But you're skipping meals, you're intermittent fasting, you're obsessing over the scale, and everything is becoming discouraging to you, and then it doesn't seem worth it. Isn't that really the truth of the matter? Is that it doesn't seem worth it. So we just throw it all out, the baby out with the bathwater, just get rid of it all, and we're right back to ground zero. But probably now we're down in the basement instead of where we were previously because we're discouraged, okay? So don't go all in all the way and change every single thing about your lifestyle, especially your food, overnight. It's hard. And I don't even do that with my clients unless they absolutely come in with food sensitivities and allergies that we've got to work on, okay? So aim for more of a balanced, enjoyable lifestyle with healthy living and healthy well-being, okay? And if you don't know what that looks like, then that's where I, as your coach, come in, and you pay a coach to teach you how to implement in steps versus all or nothing, and what's going to be healthiest for you, okay? Now, step number 4, you guys, is one thing that makes it hard is navigating with no plan. So then you have no idea what you're doing. You just have a couple ideas, really, like, hey, I'm just not going to eat breakfast, but I have no idea what I'm going to eat for lunch, snack, and dinner. Or, hey, I'm going to exercise more, but I don't really know what's going to work best for my body. That isn't a good plan, because then you feel out of control. There's no boundaries, but also at the same time, there's no grace, no wiggle room, okay? So I wrote down here, having a proven game plan to take you from where you are now to where you want to be is actually going to save you time and effort. Otherwise, you're relying on guesswork to reach your goal. Don't guess at it. Have a plan, okay? And not an all or nothing plan. You're not going to go from not working out at all to literally working out 5 times, 6 times, 7 times a week. Okay, we got to ease into it. Number 5 is your short-term vision. This is one of the things that makes it harder. Is being fit for a vacation or an event is great. That's a short-term goal or a short-term vision. But staying in shape is even better. Not only just losing the weight, but staying in shape, keeping it off. Consider your long-term health, and avoid the exhausting cycle of temporary fitness. Like we do it, we get, those people, and I used to be one of them probably, but I could go gung ho in my 20s and early 30s. I am not that age no more, so it doesn't really matter. I got to stay consistent. I can't drop 10 pounds in 2 weeks because I just went nuts with stuff. But those of you who are doing that, it's hurting you in the long run. And how much harder is it to keep losing the same 10 to 15 pounds, 20, 30, 40, 50 over and over and over, instead of creating a lifestyle that's going to work for you? And number 6 is isolating yourself. The truth is, guys, everyone needs support. Everyone needs help and encouragement and coaching and just other people in your life that are actually doing some of the same things that you're doing so that you can help each other. You want to find those people that are going to help you by finding that inner strength and stepping out and figuring out what that looks like for you and what kind of support you actually need. Because so many of you guys tell me, I know exactly what to do. I just need to do it. But the truth of the matter is, guys, you're not. You're not doing it because you don't have support. You don't have accountability. You don't have other people in your life that are encouraging you to move in the right direction. And again, if you don't have those people, then you have someone like me. And yes, you have to pay me, but is it worth it to get that foundation laid and get the right steps in place so you have a plan and you know what you're supposed to be doing? I'll tell you, it's worth every penny. Okay, because sometimes we just need that kick in the butt to really get going and have somebody looking in from the outside to be able to share with you and say, you know what, this is what needs to happen in order for you to be successful. Okay, so I want to be in your corner. I know I am on these videos, and I offer a lot of other things. We have fitness classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays right now that I'm teaching. We have our gym in here that if you need a place that's a little bit quieter to come work out, that's open to the public for you guys to come and do a gym membership, as well as personal coaching with me. Health, life, fitness, whatever that may be. I'm here to be able to help you get the bigger picture in place and be able to start walking in it. All right. Give the office a call today. The number is 308-850-2419. I do offer a 1-hour free consultation if you're interested in the coaching portion. But we'll gladly give you a walkthrough in our gym. I would love you to come to a fitness class. You can check those out on my website at angierosehealthcoaching.com. Learn a little bit more there. And you can actually book them on my website, or you can call the office to book a spot for the classes. And right now we're focusing strictly on strength training on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. But starting in September, I'm putting it out there that I will be adding in some cardio classes, which is kickboxing and drumming. And so pushing me to learn it and make me do it, stepping out of my element. That is a little bit scary because I can strength train with the best of them, but teaching a cardio class is definitely something new for me. So if I'm willing at 48 years old to try new things and do new things, you absolutely can do a new thing as well. All right, I hope this encourages you, and I hope this motivates you to get moving toward the next step in your healthier living lifestyle. Have a great day. Bye.